Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know me, I'm Ankita and I make so many different types of videos. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, go and subscribe my channel and hit on that bell icon also so that you get notified every time when I upload a video. So on today's video, I'm going to share that what are the apps I use to edit my Instagram pictures. So without any further ado, let's proceed with the video. So the first app I use is VSCO and I love to edit my pictures from this app, and I'm also using this app from a long time. People who are following me on my Instagram from a long time, they know how I love to edit my pictures using VSCO. So if you are not following me on my Instagram, go and follow me there. I upload pictures and videos on regular basis. So let me give you some basic ideas that how you can edit your pictures using VSCO. So let me select a picture. By the way, the thing I'm doing in my phone, I will do this using screen recorder and I will give the video any side of the screen so you can watch what I'm doing in my phone. So firstly, if you want to add brightness to your picture, you have to go to exposure and you have to drag the line to the positive side, and if you want dark picture, means if you want a darker picture, you have to drag the line to the negative side. Then you can adjust the contrast according to your choice. I don't do this, and there are many more options like straighten, SQ, YQ and many more which I don't use actually, so I don't know how it works. You can crop your pictures using this app. And if you want some more texture to your picture, you can use sharpen and you have to drag the line to the positive side, that how much texture you want to add to your picture. Then there are more options like saturation, highlights, shadows, temperature, tint and many more options. There are a lot of options you will find on this app. So there are many options you will find on this app, so no worry, you can easily edit your picture by using this app. So I hope now you can understand how you can edit a picture by using this app. So the second app I use is InShot. So I basically use this app to adjust the ratio of my picture. Like if I want to upload a picture for my Instagram, I use 1:1 ratio. Just remind this, I will put the screenshot on the screen obviously. So you have to select 1:1 ratio for Instagram. Then you can use 4:5 also, that depends upon you. And if sometimes I want to make a thumbnail for my YouTube videos, I go to 16:9 ratio. So that's all I do in this app, nothing more than that. But you can select filters also. There are some options like filter, effect, and you can adjust that also. So you can do, but I don't do this. But you can do this according to your choice. If you like to do this, you can do. So the next step I use to get some cool edits is PicsArt. So I know everyone knows nowadays how to do edit on PicsArt. So I don't have to tell so much about this app. You can change the background of a photo, you can add cool stickers and many more things you can do on PicsArt. So I don't have to put any screenshot or screen recorder on my screen. You know how to do that. But still, if you want some cool tutorials of PicsArt, let me know. I would love to share with you all. So the last app I use to edit my pictures is Snow. I just love this app so much. I have no words to express my love regarding this app. So basically this app have really cool filters and there are so many variants of effects, which I especially love about this app, that they have variants of effects. So I will put the pictures on the screen which I edit from Snow so that you can see what are the outcomes, and obviously I will give the app links to the description box so that you can install those apps to your phone and edit your pictures. So I use all these apps to edit my Instagram pictures. Hope somehow I can help you. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to press on like button, share button, and obviously don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.